Man, this guy's serious.
Alright, I'm here with Dan Killer Kennedy, and since he likes to wear a lot of Nintendo paraphernalia, I thought I would just add some of my favorites when I used to play Nintendo. His YouTube link will be under my descriptions as well.
What's up, Peeps Killer coming at you? Alright peeps, we're inside Sal's, joined again with Brandon, the Garbage Disposal Clark. Make sure you check out his channel. I'll put a link in the description. We're here to take on their 36-inch pizza challenge. Weigh somewhere between 10 and 12 pounds. 30-minute time limit. Has only ever been defeated once by Ethan Teskey and Matt Sweet Tooth Cullen. The time for 28:54. So we're going to see if we can beat their record. I'm going to have her count down. Alright peeps, me and Brandon have 30 minutes to get this bad boy down. Remember, 36 inch, somewhere between 10 and 12 pounds. Record, Ethan Teskey, Matt Cullen, 28:45.
3, 2, 1.
Yeah.
He's even eating the scraps.
Okay. It's been 8 minutes, 9 minutes, 57 cents. I mean, seconds. These are the guys that are killing it. Done.
Almost. Two more bites.
10 away.
Done.
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 Man, congratulations.
Wow.
Second guys, second couple. First guys killed it 28 or something like that minutes. These
I
guys
feel
are
like this
28:45. I just messaged him and asked him.
under
Yeah.
10.
Look at you guys. Congratulations. That was awesome. Beautiful challenge. Beautiful.
10 minutes, 35 seconds. No, there's no way anyone's beating that. I don't care how big they
It's
are.
under 10 minutes.
I
They
never
only
s-
had one person get the ring.
All right, Peace. Me and Brandon knocked out the 36-inch Sal's Pizza, the Godfather Challenge. New record of 10 minutes and 35 seconds. I'd like to thank Sal's for letting us do the challenge. I'd like to thank my partner Brandon getting it done with me. Make sure you check out his channel. Make sure I put the link below. Like always, please like and subscribe. See you on the next one.
I thought it was the size of on the wall. I was like, I could do that.
No,
I was like,
T-shirts are finally in. The fronts have the logo on it. The backs have a great day unless you made other plans. I have them all the way from small to 5X for only $20. Look in the descriptions on the video and see how to make payments, and I will ship them out. Thank you. All right, please subscribe to my page. Click the notification bell on the right so you can get notified of recent uploads. Like the video. Go ahead and share it if you can, and I appreciate it. Have a great day unless you made other plans.